With a kid-proof casing, this tablet from Amazon is equipped to handle bumps and knocks with ease. A 2-year worry-free guarantee offers coverage for any accidents that may happen, so you can relax knowing that if the little ones damage the tablet, you can get a replacement hassle-free. It includes a year of Amazon Fire for Kids Unlimited, giving you access to an all-in-one subscription that has great content that children love. With books, TV shows, movies, educational apps and games, there's plenty of entertainment to keep them out of trouble. The child-friendly user interface has been designed especially for children from 3 years old, ensuring the features are easy to use, so children can find their favourite activity on their own without the help from an adult. Keep an eye on the content your children can access with the helpful parental controls on this Amazon tablet.